Hello, we are from Team 2 at 12 Natural Science 4. My name is Ummi Dian Rahmawati, absent number 37.
My name is Haya Alimatuzzahra, absent 12.
My name is Frisca Herlina Septiani, my absent number is 11.
Hello, my name is Diva Cantika Chelsilia from absent 10.
Hello, my name is Adilla Putri and you can call me Windi.
My name is Reva Nur Febriyanti, absent 31. The ingredients: the corn cobs, 500 grams, pre-peeled. For centimeter ginger, 20 grams grated. 2 cloves of garlic, pounded. For spring onions, thinly sliced. 4 cups water, 1 liter. 4 cups chicken broth, 1 liter. 1 chicken fillet breast, 200 grams. 1 teaspoon soy sauce.
How to make a chicken and corn soup.
Clean the chicken by soaking it in lime water.
Prepare broth with the cleaned chicken, adding celery, salt, and ground pepper.
Third step, shred the corn.
Prepare the seasoning by grating ginger, peeling and bruising garlic, and cutting half an onion into 4 to 5 pieces. Pour a bit of oil, heat it, then saute the prepared seasonings.
once fragrant and just grated corn and sauce until aromatic.
Add the previously made broth. Shoot the boiled chicken for the broth, then add it to the soup.
Next step, let it sit for approximately 10 minutes, and the cream soup is ready to be served.
Optionally, add chopped green onions and celery leaf as topping.